Hey there, first off, a massive, massive congratulations to you both. Getting married is, well, it's literally one of the most incredible milestones in your life. But let's be totally honest for a second. Planning the big day can kind of feel like a full-time job. I am so absolutely thrilled to be chatting with you today. Think of this explainer as a sneak peek into just how flawless, connected, and entirely stress-free your upcoming wedding day is going to be. I want you to just picture it for a second. Welcome to your perfect day. The venue is completely set, the sun is shining, and you are surrounded by your absolute favorite people in the world. And the best part? You are simply living in the moment. You're not secretly worrying about whether the caterer knows where to go or if your guests are getting lost on the way. You get to just enjoy the start of your new life together, while all those intricate, behind-the-scenes logistics magically handle themselves. But how do we actually get to that level of peace of mind? Well, let me ask you a question. What if your guests had every single wedding detail right in their pockets? Just think about what it would feel like if Uncle Bob didn't need to frantically text you for directions an hour before the ceremony. Or if your college friends knew exactly what time the reception started without asking you. Because absolutely everything they need is already securely accessible right there on their smartphones. All right, so let's meet your Eventwall platform. This is basically the digital heartbeat of your wedding, and you're going to love how simple it is. No apps to download, zero special tech skills required, just easy access for everyone. It's really where real-world beauty meets digital convenience. Eventwall perfectly marries, and yeah, pun entirely intended there, the stunning physical beauty of your venue with a really rich, gorgeous digital space. It gives your guests a custom web-based hub where they can easily tap into every piece of wedding-related info they could possibly need, all in one spot. Let's break down exactly what this suite of features looks like, because it is specifically designed to solve every classic wedding headache. On the logistics side, you can manage your RSVPs, plug in Google Maps so literally nobody gets lost, and even proudly show off your bridal party with little bios. For gifts, we take away all that awkwardness by elegantly displaying your honeymoon fund details or gift registry. It's just so comprehensive and beautifully organized. Plus, you get your own custom digital program. This is huge because it ensures your guests are always empowered and perfectly in sync with your schedule. By having the order of events and the table seating accessible at any time, nobody is ever left wandering the hall wondering where they sit, what the starter is, or when on earth the cake is finally getting cut. Now, moving on to capturing every special memory. Because a wedding isn't just a schedule of events, right? It's a collection of beautiful, fleeting moments. Let's look at how we preserve them. We all know professional photographers are amazing, for sure. But those photos take weeks to get back. Throughout your day, your friends and family are taking their own candid, hilarious, and just heartwarming photos. With the dynamic guest selfies gallery, they just upload those moments directly to your platform. You get to see your entire wedding from the unique perspectives of the people you love most, instantly. No hunting down photos the next day. And right alongside those photos, you get meaningful messages from your loved ones. Instead of a physical book that people might forget to sign on their way out, guests have this beautiful digital guest book and message board. They can engage and leave you heartfelt wishes directly from their tables throughout the entire night. You'll literally wake up the next day to a timeline completely overflowing with love. Let's talk about Eventwall on your terms, because I know you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but is it going to be extra work for us? The short answer is not at all. The crucial point here is that you have options. If you love the DIY route and want to use self-service to set it up and manage it yourselves, you absolutely can. It's super intuitive. But, and we totally get this, you are busy planning a massive event. If you just want it handled, our premium management service steps in. For a small additional fee, our team will create and upload all the content for you. And honestly, that management service goes even further on the actual wedding day. Imagine the immense relief of having our team actively monitoring your wall in real time. If someone posts a slightly unflattering photo, boom, we remove it. If a guest asks where the bathrooms are on the message board, we respond and direct them. We handle the digital moderation and guest queries so that the two of you don't have to lift a finger or even look at a screen. Up next, let's explore premium guest communication. This is for the couple that wants to elevate their guest experience to the absolute highest tier. We can provide direct-to-guest digital posters sent via WhatsApp. This is a highly personalized, white-glove touch. We send these stunning, customized digital posters, complete with QR codes and direct links to your event wall, straight to your guests' WhatsApp inboxes. It keeps absolutely everyone perfectly in the loop without you ever having to send a stressful mass text. So here's how this flawless communication journey actually plays out on a simple timeline. The day before, we send a poster with map directions so they arrive smoothly. The morning of, a gentle nudge to leave a sweet message on the wall. Right after you say "I do," we send a gorgeous photo of you at the altar, prompting them to check their table seating and start snapping those selfies. And finally, the day after, a thoughtful digital thank you goes out to everyone. We just tactfully guide them through the whole experience.
So, are you ready for the big day? Ultimately, what we've really been talking about today is giving you an invisible, tireless wedding coordinator. Because your happily ever after starts seamlessly with Eventwall. It's so much more than just a piece of digital tech. It's the ultimate companion dedicated to making sure your celebration is entirely focused on what actually matters: your love, your joy, and the people you're sharing it with. Let us handle the noise so you can just enjoy the music.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought for the two of you to discuss. Your love story is absolutely one of a kind. You've poured so much thought and energy into every single detail of this wedding. Shouldn't your guest experience be just as unique and unforgettable? I really hope this explainer has inspired you to elevate your wedding day and to confidently say yes to letting Evntwall help make it the absolute best day of your lives. Thank you so much for exploring this with me.